My name is David Yederi from Kilifi County. The reason why I decided to have biogas in my compound is because buying gas nowadays is very expensive. In a total, I'm spending more than 120,000 per year.
My name is Grace Kinuthia Karani, Director of Gracious Schools and also Kinunju Suppliers. Whatever made us come with the idea of installing the solar pump, it's because we've been paying a lot of money and sometimes it has been a challenge to us, bearing in mind with our economic situation. And we've been opting to use the solar panels so that we can improve even on our farm where we do the fresh food, and also the usage of water in school whereby we use a lot of water.
I came to know about Keilot, Kenya while I was looking for a company to identify my need. The main intention for this project was to do modern farming, especially that now we are having the change of weather patterns. So we didn't want to rely on rain-fed agriculture. We wanted to do more of irrigation agriculture. And we had the challenges of having the weather patterns not being reliable. We thought that we could renovate our boreholes so that we could have sustainable water that could do our irrigation even throughout the sunny season or the drought season.
So, Papu, thank you so much for having us to your beautiful farm.
You're very welcome.
And so tell us a little bit about your operation and what got you interested.
Well, nothing like a growing business to get a businessman interested, and that's exactly how it happened. Back in 2015, we were advised, we found out that moringa is a high-growth commodity product, agricultural product, and lo and behold, it does extremely well. In fact, it's endemic here at the coast.
What you're really doing is planting a seed for what could become a really big impact on the coast here.
We really think that the biodigester technology that you have is really, as I had said before, a magic bullet to create a whole new model of manufacturers interacting with smallholder farms versus everything under one roof, one plantation, and that's all it is. If you are working with outgrowers, you want to include them in as much of the production process as possible. And one of the areas we think is really a way to do that is through the bio waste that agriculture produces. That can always be turned into something useful. And instead of the company wasting its time or spending its time doing that, if you involve your outgrower communities, you find that not only are you giving them an extra form of income, but you're also teaching them some valuable skills. You're also building the entrepreneurship, and you're building trade among communities, which is, beats fighting.
I'm here to talk to you about a solution and an alternative that can not only save you money, but possibly save your life. It's biogas. Keilot, Kenya has come to the coast to offer installation of biodigesters on farms for only as little as 30% down with 1% interest. What you get with this is 6 hours of clean cooking, meaning no smoke, and organic fertilizer